Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Ray from CMA and you're back with me in the shop, or what might look like the shop. This doesn't look like the shop. This is a different section of the shop. So what I want to show you today is the next project that I've been working on pretty much all this week and part of last week. This is a 1964 Chrysler Newport. This car basically is here for a cosmetic redo. So all I did was basically block the material that was on the car, and now I'm going to finish off masking and priming and everything else. As you can see, it's very spotted and speckly and kind of rainbowish all over the place. What I did was I went around the whole car and I corrected all the imperfections. So there were high spots, there were low spots, you know. So what I did was I knocked everything around, I filled everything that needed to be filled in, and resanded everything. So now the car is a lot straighter than what it was. So at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash it, I'm going to mask it, it's going to get primed. I've done the sides, I've done the nose, the hood, and the back is going to get done later because the deck lid needs a little massaging. It needs some sheet metal work. It's a convertible, so I don't have to worry about the top, which is kind of convenient for everybody. And that's where I'm at. So right now, you're just looking at the final stages of all the bodywork, and when you see it next time, it'll be all primed. So guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.